Internet is an integral part of everyone's life today, especially the youth means our new generation. Mr. President, the internet as we use today has only become widely and publicly available in the past decades or two. It was previously used just by large corporations for different branches of businesses, but the number of internet users has increased tenfold from 1999 to 2013 and now the highest in 2023. And the youth today is the first ever on earth who has been using internet practically since birth. The internet is somehow rapidly shaping and raising today's youth as they are constantly spending more and more time and increasingly socializing behind the screen. Mr. President, adults are becoming concerned about the loss of social skills among them. With the internet being so accessible and popular, internet addiction has become a serious problem among youngsters. These kind of addiction includes addiction to social media and especially video games. Addiction leads to youth being less social, deprived from nature, deprived from religious obligations, deprived from giving rights to others, deprived from the charms of childhood, and being deprived from having good relationship, health, career, and many others. Mr. President, we can't deny its usefulness but can't overlook its darker side as well. In fact, a huge and domestic amount of crimes are being born in the lap of internet. Large amount of people are being fascinated and blackmailing, tracking, kidnapping, lying, and information being visible are just common customs of the internet. Mr. President, internet has been expeditionally changed our previous generation. People can converse with someone with the internet and get a response within seconds. The influence of internet is uniformly shared by all the age group of the society, in spite of being young or old. But the school and college students under the age of 20 or more involved in the internet, they have become active users of such social networking sites like Facebook, like Snapchat, like Twitter, like Instagram, and many others. And as a result, they become less interested in school and college activities and start to lag behind the studies. Mr. President, summing up my speech, I would say that internet is the thing this generation uses the most. Even though parents try to protect their children from the harm's way, choose who they can socialize with from children's teachers and doctors. Companies have almost unfettered access to their children and can easily track them and target them such as in public spaces, colleges, schools and many others. And as a result, they are becoming deprived. And it is for us, and let us condemn this, that the weakness and the harmness of internet is too much from its betterness, too much from its benefit, and we must protect ourselves from these internet. And it's not too hard when these wisdoms, these words are here. When there is a will, there is a way. When there is a will, there is a way. Thank you very much.